how to use red light therapy for maximum results. A beginner's guide. Red light therapy is a game changer, but are you using it the right way to unlock its full potential? Unlock the full potential of red light therapy. Red light therapy, RLT, is celebrated for its incredible benefits, from boosting collagen and accelerating muscle recovery to improving sleep and easing discomfort. But did you know that how you use it can make all the difference? By mastering the right techniques, you can maximize the results and truly transform your health and beauty routine. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, following a few simple steps ensures you're getting the most out of every session. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose the right device. Choosing the right red light therapy device for your goals. The key to getting the most out of red light therapy is selecting the device that aligns with your wellness and beauty goals. Here's a quick guide to help you decide. 1. For skin rejuvenation. If your primary goal is reducing wrinkles, improving skin elasticity, or fading dark spots, look for a red light therapy panel or handheld device with wavelengths between 630 nanometers and 680 nanometers. These wavelengths penetrate the upper layers of the skin, stimulating collagen production and improving skin tone. 2. For muscle recovery and pain relief. To soothe sore muscles, reduce inflammation, or address joint pain, choose a device that emits near-infrared light and the 800 nanometers to 850 nanometers range. This deeper penetrating light reaches muscles and tissues to promote faster healing and reduce discomfort. 3. For full body wellness. If you're targeting overall health benefits, like improving circulation, boosting energy, or addressing multiple areas at once, opt for a full body red light therapy panel or bed. These larger devices provide coverage for the entire body, ensuring consistent results. For convenience and portability. If you're always on the go, consider Amos Paw Portable Red Light Therapy Wand or Mask. These compact options are great for targeting specific areas like the face or sore spots while fitting seamlessly into a busy lifestyle. 5. For multi-purpose benefits. If you're looking for a device that offers versatility, choose one with adjustable wavelengths. This way, you can switch between red and near-infrared light depending on your focus for the day. Beauty or recovery. Step 2. Set up your space, create a relaxing environment for sessions. Step 3. Timing matters. Optimal session times 10-20 minutes, 35 times per week. Step 4. Positioning proper distance 612 inches away and areas to target. Step 5. Consistency is key. It is important to have regular sessions for noticeable results. Tips for better results. Tips for better results. Clean your skin before use for better light absorption. Avoid wearing makeup or sunscreen during sessions. Use RLT as part of a broader wellness routine, for example, skincare, fitness. Common mistakes to avoid. Overdoing it, too many sessions too often. Expecting instant results. It's a process. Using the wrong type of light, for example, confusing red light with UV light.